Hey everybody, this is Cathleen Scott from the Scott Law Team, out taking a walk, thinking about what labor and employment concepts you need to know about. Today I'm going to talk about medical leave. There are 3 things that you need to know about medical leave. If you're an employee going out on leave or an employer having an employee go out on leave, these are 3 things that you need to figure out and know about before the leave starts. First one is how long? How long is a leave going to last? And sometimes that's an unknown, but the employer should have a policy or make a decision on how long they're going to allow an employee to stay out on leave. Small employers, those with less than 50 employees, are not legally required to have leave for any amount of time, but they should do that which is good for the business and helps meet the employee's needs to get back to work. So first one's how long. Second is it going to be paid or unpaid? Again, small businesses are not obligated to pay for time off unless they qualify for FMLA, family medical leave, but that should be known to the employee on the way out so there's no misunderstandings. Some companies offer short-term disability policies that could pay for some of the leave time, and that would be good to include in that second piece as well. The third thing is do I have a job to come back to? And if so, is it the same position? So deciding whether or not you're going to hold an employee's position open, that should be also set forth in writing and for how long. So a good example might be the employee needs time off for a medical condition, and you write the employee and say our leave policies are 30 days. It'll be unpaid, but you might be eligible for short-term disability. Go apply for it, and we'll do our best to keep your position open, but we can't promise it or guarantee it. It'll be based on the business needs at that time that you can return back to work. A final thought, it's also a good idea to let the employee know that a release from a medical physician saying that they're able to come back to work is likely going to be required for them to come back. So hopefully this is helpful. I'm Cathleen Scott, and this is your Labor and Employment Law Minute. Take care.